In this video, we'll go over CIVIC. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year? With a massive rise in crypto popularity, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. There have also been cases of people buying a monkey JPEG for only $300 and flipping it on the market for over $400,000 just 6 months later. So how can one be sure of an insane return from an investment? By simply looking at a coin's fundamentals, it can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is CIVIC? CIVIC is a blockchain-based identity management solution that gives individuals and businesses the tools they need to control and protect personal identity information. The platform is designed to change the way we think about identity verification by giving users more control over their personal data, while allowing them to access a wide range of services without needing to fork over excessive amounts of personal information. CIVIC's identity verification solution uses distributed ledger technology to authorize identity usage in real time, and is used to sparingly share information with CIVIC partners after authorization by the user. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. CIVIC is built to make it easy for users to verify their identity with service providers, while still retaining full control over their personal information. It allows businesses to onboard users faster using its AI-powered verification system, which when combined with human review helps businesses cut down on fraud and stay compliant with AML regulations and OFAC rules. As of December 2020, CIVIC has two main products, the CIVIC Wallet and HealthKey. The CIVIC Wallet is a mobile cryptocurrency wallet that can be used to store a handful of popular cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USD Coin. The app doubles as a digital identity management solution and benefits from a $1 million Bitcoin insurance plan provided by CoinCover. Considering all mass adoption takes place and Bitcoin having hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting 20 cents by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps our community.